Frontoiko kirolak ingleses. There are 3 ball sports that can be played in the fronton. Pala with a wooden racket, escopilota with the hand and cesta punta, jaialai with a special basket. The fronton has 3 walls. On the frontis, on the left hand side, left wall, and on the back, the rebound. The ball must be played inside the white marks painted on the floor. The frontis has a line 20 cm from the floor. If the ball goes there or under that line, it's called falta, and you lose. There are 2 special lines, falta and pasa. The first ball bounce must be done between them. You miss the point if the hit ball bounces before falta, and it's a second if the ball bounces after pasa. You also lose the point if the ball bounces over the white line. If the ball goes out of the white line, if you touch the ball after a second bounce, if the ball touches the body, or if the ball is touched twice. The goal is to reach 22 points in escopilota and with hands, and 35 points in cesta punta, jaialai.